If you want to improve the quality or the production value of your videos, here are 5 quick tips to help you get it done.
Number 1. Plan your shots. Planning your shots makes you have a mental picture of what you intend to achieve at the end of the day. This is very important because it helps you save time. Number 2. Always lock your focus and exposure. You don't want your videos to be out of focus, trust me. You can also do this with your wide angle lens. To do this, simply tap and hold your screen for a few seconds. Number 3. Shoot at a low angle. Now this helps to show a different perspective from what your viewers are used to seeing. It actually makes your video look more cinematic. Also remember that while shooting, you can go back and forth as it helps you get 2 shots in one attempt. Number 4. Shoot in tight spaces. This obviously makes your footage look more cinematic and planned out, just like this one. Number 5. Capture the mood of the moment. Now this helps you connect with your audience emotionally, and this is the best way to keep them watching till the end. If you put all of this together with good sound effects and background music, you'll have this. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video, as we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, and I'll see you in the next one.